What if you could stop chasing one-time sales and finally build income that shows up every single month? That is the dream for most people trying to make money online. But the reality is very different. You work hard, you launch something, you make a few sales, and then everything goes quiet. The stress starts again. You are back to square one, wondering how you are going to make money next month. This is exactly why I want to talk about a program called Rapid Recurring Revenue. Rapid Recurring Revenue is designed to help you build predictable, consistent monthly income using a simple membership or subscription model. Instead of selling once and starting over again, this system teaches you how to create something that pays you again and again. The idea behind this program is incredibly powerful, yet surprisingly simple. You do not need thousands of customers. You do not need a massive social media following. You do not need advanced technical skills. What you need is a small group of people who see value in what you offer and are happy to pay a small monthly fee for it. Think about this for a moment. If just 100 people pay you around $30 a month, that is $3,000 in recurring income. If you grow that to a few hundred members, you are suddenly looking at life-changing money. En het is sasia if igixi fra pelsweth, and Bert Furman trains you to adopt. The program walks you step by step through the entire process. First, it helps you choose the right niche, and it's something random, but a niche where people are already paying for information, support, or solutions. This alone can save you months of trial and error. Next, it shows you how to create simple, valuable content without feeling overwhelmed. You are not expected to be an expert or produce massive amounts of content. The system is built around efficiency and clarity, so you focus only on what actually matters to your members. One of the most unique parts of Rapid Recurring Revenue is how it teaches fixed-term memberships. This means you are not trapped creating endless content forever. You deliver value over a defined period, help your members achieve a result, and then move on or relaunch. This protects your time, your energy, and your motivation. The training also covers how to attract members the right way. No spam, no shady tactics, just ethical marketing strategies that bring in people who genuinely want what you offer. Once they join, you learn how to keep them engaged so they stay subscribed month after month. What makes Rapid Recurring Revenue stand out is its focus on simplicity. Many online programs overcomplicate everything with fancy tools and confusing systems. This program strips it all down and shows you a clear path you can actually follow, even if you are just getting started. This is especially powerful for beginners, freelancers, content creators, or anyone tired of inconsistent income. If you are done with relying on one-off sales, hourly work, or unpredictable launches, this system gives you a smarter alternative. Recurring revenue is not a trend. It is the future. Subscriptions and memberships are everywhere because they work. Businesses love them because they are predictable. Customers love them because they provide ongoing value. And Rapid Recurring Revenue teaches you how to build your own version of this model. There is also a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means you can review the training and decide if it is right for you without risk. That alone shows confidence in the system. If you have been searching for a way to build stable online income, something that does not disappear after one sale, Rapid Recurring Revenue is definitely worth your attention. Take a closer look. Learn how recurring income really works, and start building something that can support you not just today, but month after month, year after year. Sometimes, one smart system is all it takes to change everything.